There are many ways to write Taiwanese, but today I'm going to teach you 北纬机. Before we start learning pronunciation, let me first introduce what 北纬机 is. 北纬机, also known as church romanization, was developed by Western missionaries. It's not a phonetic simple system, it's an actual writing system. So once you know how to pronounce the words, you will also know how to write them down. Alright, let's begin with the initial symbols. B, P, B, M, D, T, N, L, G, K, G, Ng, Z, C, Z, S, H. And now let's learn the final symbols. A, I, E, U, O, E, I, Ao, Ya, Ye, U, Wa, Wei, We, Yao, Wai. And now let's learn the syllabic consonants. Yam, Im, An, Yen, En, In, Wan, Wun, Ang, Yang, Nhưng, Ông, Yung, And now let's learn nasal vowels. Nasal vowels are one of the most special sounds in Taiwanese. They are marked with a small N at the upper right corner of the vowel. Focus all the air at the back of your nose and then let it out in one breath. You will feel your nose vibrate a lot when you make this sound. Ni, Nya, Iu, Ngoa, Ngoing. And now let's learn stop consonant finals. Up, Yep, Ip, At, Yit, It, What, Ut, Ak, Yik, Ok, Yok, A, I, E, 不